Okay, we're going to continue on with some testing, improving some test files, and we're looking at healthchecks.test.js, which is currently one of the tests that is not working. So we're going to come back to good old Claude. We're going to go back to our project. We are going to look for health check. We're going to delete this file because it's old. We're going to update our new one and see if we can get this working. So utils health check, and then update health check.test, and then if I ran these tests, and you can see that it's failing because of the database disconnection. It's not using Mongo. I always forget what it is. It's not using Mongo memory server, so I'm going to ask if we can actually do that. Maybe it was Claude getting mistaken. In your project knowledge, I found that telling it specifically where it is certainly helps. You have a file called healthcheck.js. You also have a file called healthcheck.test.js. This uses Jest tests to test the functionality of healthcheck.js. With all of our tests, we leverage setup.js, which is using Mongo memory server instead of a dedicated test database. When I run health check test, the following tests fail. Is this because we are trying to test a connection live database? If so, can we use Mongo memory server like the other tests, or is there a reason why we aren't? Where's the test? I think that should be okay. This is DB. Let's see what Claude has to say. The key issue is that the health. Yeah. Okay. Why are you doing that? The reason why I'm just not sure if we should be. Okay. Okay. Why? MongoDB. Let's copy this. I'm just gonna comment out this for a second. Paste this in here. Gonna run it again. Doesn't have our integration tests, so conscious of that. But let's just see if this works. Uptime. I'm not sure. What's changed here? Okay, let's replace that. And then go to these tests. Let's copy from here. So health check endpoints. Actually, let's just go from there. So memory usage check all the way up. Save that, and then okay. Let's try and run that again. Still getting a lot of failures. Let's ask it to explain why. So in setup, for change that. Place that. All right, healthcheck.js. Place that. Health check, where are you? Utils, where are you? Save, and then in tests, all right. Let's run those again. All right, one failed, two failed, sorry. So go back here. Great, that helped. Fix that again. And then update mock, save. Let's run those tests again. Two failed still. Okay, it's a little bit bizarre. Move database outside, try catch block, health check. You aren't used available. So Yes, good point. That's my mistake. Yeah. Forgot we had that route directly in app.js. We should probably move that at some point. Health check. And then our tests. Health check endpoint. Database health check. It should handle. That's fine. And then disk space. Right, run those. Oh my god. Fourth. Oh. Oh my goodness. Let's just, I know it's still writing some more code, but let's run this and see if that helped at all. All failed. Health check. See if that did anything. And then health route. Only one failed. Still that. Oh. Make sure you have OS. Node.js. Okay. Try again. Still that same one's failing. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT. Let's up. So component, let's go app, let's go utils, health check. We have in Okay, let's do this. So it's interesting. A lot of these tests that fail and stuff, it's due to there's definitely a pattern where it's due to errors potentially being thrown in different parts of the application. I'm interested to see. I mean, first of all, does this all pass? But now, has it broken any other tests? Any other tests within the health.js. Okay, so we still get the same error. That error now comes, okay. Okay, that's good. Got you. Got you. What is... Okay. I think for now, so just conscious of, actually we might have already done it. I think for now we can update the test case to be 200 because we are just looking for these like partial degradations. So yeah, those ones that failed, we can just update those to be 200. So because it is for, well, that one's for graceful, which is fine. Space error and database disconnection gracefully. So where are they? So, obviously, so this should be 200. This should be 200, and then should handle database. That works now. I think that also needs to be true. Yeah, so it returns as true. Yeah, so it should be true. Okay. The other ones also probably need to be true. Yeah. Hang on. Oh my gosh. What I'm going to do is actually come back here and go, let's just copy these. It gave us what the test should be, so just so I'm not making a mistake, database disconnection, paste, save, should handle disk space error. And unexpected. Let's run that again. Okay. Now I need to give it the context. I get with the original status response to p200. I have this as my test file. I now get these errors. Man, how long does this take? This is ridiculous. All I ever do is write tests. Right, we will try again. This is ridiculous. Try this again. I'm getting sick and tired of writing tests. All right. Oh my goodness. This is just getting worse, I don't think. I wonder if you're getting more and more annoyed at it. I'm getting really frustrated. I know why it's failing. But you were meant to have done this before. I don't get it. App.health check. Sorry, app.get. It hasn't actually changed anything. It just doesn't change anything. Health check. It hasn't actually changed anything. It's frustrating. I'm going to stop the video. I'm going to do a different test. This is annoying. Okay, welcome back. We're going to try and fix up a couple of more tests, which is the bane of my existence. I'm really going to focus on just some of the core tests that aren't associated with our platform admin functionality, because I really do want to move on and start creating some new functionality, if at all possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the password reset test, which we know had one or two failures from before, and we're just going to try and get these ones fixed up. So, wow, all of them actually fail. Due to some failure. Why is that? So, let's just try that again. Don't quite understand what's happening here. Random. We haven't run into that error before. Let's just ask ChatGPT. In setup. Yes, we did change some of this functionality. And it's now throwing an issue. Which is just my luck. Let's try and test something we know will work. So models tests user.test.js. Okay. That's really annoying. So if we go back to that. Why is this failing? This is really not the way I want to start. Trying to write some more tests. Oh my God. It's honestly the bane of my existence. Let's try and get this. Oh, come on, it won't even let me copy. Why is it doing that? Oh my gosh. Saying there might be an issue with the binary. Okay. All right. We're going to scrap that.